What's up, YouTube? Welcome to another video. Got a quick one for you today for the Integra. I know it seems like that's all we've been working on, but I've just been enjoying working on it, so that's what I've been focused on. But so I got a package from MPC Motorsports for the Integra. This is it over here. It's just small, real quick, simple install, but I'm gonna show it to you guys, and you see everything's still looking fresh and pretty good under here. But anyway, I have opened this box, but I just want to show you guys like how they package stuff, because this is the first time I've ever ordered anything from MPC, and the way that they packaged and shipped this box was it's just great. It's probably like the best condition that I've ever received anything that I've ever ordered. So when you open the box, all right, so there we go. They gave me 100 proof hardware. MPC Motorsports hugger comes with it, but that's cool that they added that. But it also, since it's foam, it also serves as packing. But anyway, you're packing, you got a layer of packing on top. You got your packing slip. And then look at this, like all of the empty space inside of the outer box is full, because this was stuffed in there like that. So your actual part that you order from them is there's, you know, they actually care that stuff arrives to you and without getting damaged. And I've never had another company ship something with as much protection in the packing as that. So I thought that was really cool. But I'll show you what we got. Alright, so this is the box with the actual parts in it. I'll open it up, and you're like double layered with bubble wrap inside of there. So you're not, you know, it's gonna come to you with no scratches, you know, no damage at all, which is awesome. But all right, so what I got is the billet strut tower mount braces, and these are really, really nice quality. It's very, very nice. And so what these are gonna do is I mean, they look cool and they make your engine bay look cooler, but there's a lot of stress and flex that goes into your strut towers where your coilovers are mounted. There's a lot of flex and vibration in there, and this part's supposed to help eliminate that. I don't know if it'll actually do that or not, but it's supposed to. And what it does is it mounts to the, you know, you use the nuts that hold the coilover up. It just mounts on top of that. If you have a strut tower brace that, you know, that ties the two strut towers together, that's probably not gonna fit. But I don't have one, and I'm probably not gonna run one, so I'm gonna put these on just mostly because it looks cool. I mean, check that out. Oh, let's go to this side. Can't say that doesn't look cool, you know, and add to the rest of the purple that's in the engine bay. But anyway, basically it's a pretty simple install. As long as your car is on the ground and your suspension is under load, you shouldn't have any problems. You just undo the 2 nuts that hold the strut up, slip the brace over the bolts, and then tighten the nut back down. So I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna show you, after it's actually installed. All right, so they're both installed, and I have to say it kind of makes the engine bay have a more complete look. Like, it just looks cool. Maybe that'll help stiffen up these shock towers a little, but even if it doesn't, I really appreciate the way that MPC packaged them and shipped them to me quickly, and the price was very good too. And even if it doesn't add a whole lot of support to these shock towers, it looks really good in the engine bay. So, but that's pretty much it for this one. Like I said, it was just quick and simple. Just trying to get something out. I mean, it's just, give you guys something to see, but gives me something to do too, because I've been sick, so I've been this stomach virus stuff's been going around, so it's been a little rough. But that's pretty much it. Just wanted to do some simple stuff today, since I have the house to myself. And now I'm probably gonna try to pull the what's left of the window tint off of my driver and passenger side and clean all that up. But I'm not gonna film that or make that part of this video because it'd be kind of boring. But I do have some more packages on the way. It's supposed to actually be delivered today, but it's Chinese stuff. I can't decipher what they're trying to say, because it says that on the tracking for this package, it says that it was delivered today at 4:45 p.m. and I got that update at about 6 o'clock this morning. So somehow they can tell the time or tell the future. Anyway, those packages that are coming, they'll be their own separate video anyway. But give me a shout out, leave me a like, a comment or something if you appreciate these videos. Even if you don't, I'm gonna keep making them just because I think it's cool, and there is a future for this car that there's a future for this car that is in the works. It's just not gonna happen right now. But there will be more content in the future, and maybe when I get tired of working on this car, or when it starts coming time to do more major things to it, we can move back to the actual drag car if you guys want to see it. If you don't, then we'll just keep working on this one. We'll keep working on the street car, because right now it's easier to make content and videos on this anyway, because it's small, simple modifications that I can actually do, because there's an engine and it's not just a bare chassis or sheet metal, which I could make content on that one too, because there is a lot that we could do to it. Just takes a lot more time, and having 2 kids, it makes it kind of hard to get to some of this stuff. But anyway, leave a comment, follow the build. There'll be more coming for this car in the future.